GibbsCAM multitask machining option allows you to quickly and easily program your most complex machine configurations. GibbsCAM's MTM option combines the simple user interface that is standard throughout GibbsCAM with the power and flexibility you need to program your multitask machining center. GibbsCAM's MTM option supports today's most complex CNC machines. Whether you're programming a machine that does turning and milling with live tooling, has multiple spindles, has multiple setups or fixtures specific to your machining center, or running a Swiss-style machine, GibbsCAM will let you program your parts with confidence. When the MTM option is paired with GibbsCAM's advanced machine simulation, you're able to visualize all aspects of the machining process, including tooling, holders, machine kinematics, and intermediate tooling. When programming a complex MTM machine, being able to control all the machine options is key to getting the most out of your investment. GibbsCAM MTM option allows you to program utility operations with ease. Part catchers, bar feeders, and subspindles are just a few utility operations you can control with the MTM option. Synchronizing multiple heads and spindles is a snap with GibbsCAM's Sync Manager. Sync Manager's intuitive graphical interface helps optimize your programs by defining each tool path by its specific flow and allowing you to combine or separate each flow individually. Accurate post-processing is paramount when programming a complex MTM machine. When you utilize one of GibbsCAM's factory-supplied post-processors, you will produce proven and efficient code to run your machining center. If you have any questions about the MTM option, please visit our website